in this lovely video, I'll be cutting this square out right here. 6 by 6, then I gotta lop the corners off. So if you stick around, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of butchered pieces of video in here. One of me cutting this with a DeWalt cordless circular metal cutting circular saw. I will probably use the Wen bandsaw, and I'll probably be using the metal punch, all in the same video. Why? Because this is probably the last hibachi video besides the finished one that I'm going to do. I'm making the little grill thing that goes in out of some, it's not so thin plating, it's what, 1/8-inch thick plating, so the air can get in and keep the coals going. So stay tuned and enjoy. Where's the damn button? There we go. Doing some DeWalt cutting. There we go. I was pretty sure you didn't want to watch 3 minutes of chop video, so I just basically did it like that. There's the one side I cut, there's the other side I cut. Look at the nice. Though this thing does throw out a ton of really sharp bits. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go measure some more and cut some more, so stay tuned. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm cutting the little corners off, because that's how it goes. Let's see if I can get in here and actually see what I'm doing. It's not as easy when you have a whole sheet, but it's a good job. You do have to let the machine do the work too, so. There we go. Now it looks like a very, whatever, I don't know. Looks like the tips are cut off. So yeah, stay tuned again. Well folks, I don't really have too many complaints about this saw yet, because I've used it several times. I think the only real complaint I have is trying to find blades for it, because these are not exactly Home Depot. There's one. There's two. There's one. I think a black line would have been better than a little scribble on there. There you go, another cut. See if this thing fits, and we'll show you. Hello folks, what am I doing with this square thingy? Well, I'll show you what I'm doing. Oops. See that? This goes in here. And what it does is, the front air hole is open here. Shoots air up on the charcoal. Charcoal sits on here. Next problem is punching holes in it. Ta-da! So, I'm probably gonna mark off the outer edges and then punch holes in it. See how it works. Stay tuned and keep watching, because hopefully the next time I make a big video and put it up, I'll be barbecuing on here. Hopefully. Hello folks, what am I doing? making a grid pattern. Basically, I'm putting dents in here. Why am I putting marks in there? Simple. When I line up this metal punch, it's going to be right on that hole. Hopefully. Go in a hole, just chop a hole right through. Chop a hole here, 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 here. Then after I'm gonna grind the middle out, which should work. Should. That's why I say should. So yeah, let me put this punch back in here. Let me get this going. What is this? This is a 20-ton Roper Whitney punch. It is a. They say it can go through 1/2-inch steel, but I don't think I want to try 1/2-inch. It can do, I think, tiny holes through 1/2-inch, but I don't know. I would need a bigger piece of pipe probably. I could probably maybe I could put this on a hydraulic ram one of these days. See if I can push it to its limits. Knowing me, I'll break the damn thing. Let me turn this off. Come on. There we go. But I needed some way to make sure this thing didn't move. So basically, we're going to put this metal plate in here. And we're going to lock it down into there. And we're going to go boom. Ooh, this reeds get rid of the chair. Booyah! Look at that. Look at that sucker. Pop goes the weasel. So now I'll do this one. It's easier said than done. Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Come on, line up. Try to get this one for hell of it. Oh, duh. Gotta go down a little. See? Line it up on the little indent here. Better sit down and do this. I can see it better. Line it up on the hole. And then give it a big pop. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp it to the table a little better. Clampity clamp. So it doesn't move. Actually, I shouldn't use this clamp. What I should be using is one of these ones. There we go. Put this out of the way. Come on. Da, 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 da. There we go. Should add a little beef to it. This machine here that I have also comes with, if you go on Roper Whitney's website, they still sell this bad boy for $600. So, come on. There we go. That was not bad. May lose a hand soon doing this. There's my headphones. Anyway, I'll spare you the grief. And enjoy. Need a bigger bar. Cheater bar. Look at that, folks. Takes a licking, but keeps on ticking. Watch this. Tighten up the small one. Put in the big one. Watch this. Literally almost no effort at all. Just stand here and go. Pop. Get this out of here. That one's a little bit off, but hey, can't ask for much. Really. Hello, folks. One of the last things I'm doing is making a grate for it. As you can see, I almost finished one of the top parts here, right here. Punched all the holes out. I'm going to grind down the sides. I'll either use a pneumatic file or a grinding wheel, just a little grinding disc and go across. I'll rough it out and I'll hand file it, but it looks pretty cool in here. Of course, my nice paint job's getting all dirty, but I'll just show you this. Watch. It looks pretty darn cool. Check that out. That'll be the grill insert, and if I don't break the damn grill and handle over here, that'll be the barbecue. I could just leave it like that if I wanted to, but it looked pretty dumb. But yeah, it's coming along. That's the last piece I got to do. Then I'll take it over to my house. I got some pork fat waiting. I'll season up the whole thing and get it going. So it's actually for $5. It was turned out to be a nice little grill. Turned out really good. I didn't have too many problems with it. I thought I was gonna have a problem welding the grill here, but apparently not. The grill welded up really good. May have ground out a little bit too much, but other than that, it's perfect. So last video I'm going to show you in this series is that little flat grill all straightened out. After that, I'm going to show you the barbecue, and it's going to be all with charcoal. And I'm using the lazy charcoal match light because I don't have all my charcoal lighting tools here. So it's on my nose. Stay tuned, and don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the 15 other buttons, and smash it, lick it, whatever you want to do. But at least subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.